Do you prefer stud earrings or dangly earrings? Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you 3 new designs for stud earrings. You can find the templates in my Earrings to Make and Sell ebook. And without further ado, let's get wired. Today's featured live wire is Connie. Thank you, Connie, for sharing your beautiful wire angel and your lovely collection of button jewelry in the Wire Makers Club. For this video, I'm making the earrings with 24 gauge German style wire. According to Beadalon, the German style wire is nickel compliant and okay for earring hooks, but if your ears are sensitive, you can use 21 or 22 gauge half hard argentium or sterling silver wire or gold filled wire. I'll start with the Dragonfly studs. I did a little sketch on my iPad to show you the design. I twisted the wires together for the tail, formed one wing, and then formed the other wing and made the head with that same wire, and then made the stud back with the other wire. For the studs in this video, I'm using 24 gauge German style wire, which is half hard. We are going to bend the wire in half and make a twist for the tail of the dragonfly. Twist it 3 times, and then we are going to curve the tail a little bit, and we will form the wings. Curve them around with your thumb and your finger to form the wings, and use your precision round nose pliers to bend the wire. Curve it around again. Try to make these nice and small for studs. Bring the wire around to the center. You can make any little adjustments you need to curve it out, and clip the end flush right at the middle there. Push it down so there's no little pokey end. Make sure it's smooth. And we'll form the other wing, curve it around towards the middle, curve it up, and form the head of the dragonfly. So bring it around, full circle, adjust it so it's centered, hold it with the chain nose pliers, and bend it straight back at a right angle. We'll clip it with the flush cutters at about 1/4 inch, depends on the size of your earlobe, and we will smooth it out with the wire rounder. From there you can grab a earring back, stick it on the back there, so a little butterfly back, and there's your super cute simple dragonflies, and you can make them with double wings if you prefer. Now we'll do the dog paw. I did a little sketch of the paw. We will form the little toes, bring the wire around and down, go back, bring the wire around to the middle, around the other side, curve it around, and we'll bend the other one at a right angle. Let's go with wire. Same, I'm using the 24 gauge German style wire. It's very thin. You can go for a 22 or 21 gauge if you prefer, but because the designs are a little intricate, I went with a thinner wire. So there we did the first 2 toes, bend the wire down, and when we do the other 2, we're going to go to the opposite direction. So it's going to sit flat. We want the wires to go to the front or to the back, and we'll bring it around. Just adjust it so the wires are going out at an angle. Take your bail making pliers and bring it around the bottom of the paw. Adjust it, curve it around. We want the wire to go straight up the back. Same on the other side. Curve it around. Bend one of the wires straight back at a 45-degree angle, and then help the bend with your precision round nose pliers to surround that wire. Give it a little tug so it's secure. Clip the end flush. Push in the little pokey end and clip it to about 1/4 inch. File it with the burr cup tool and you can put a little back. And there's your super cute little paw earrings. Now we'll do the butterflies. I did a little sketch first. We're going to actually fold the wire in half and do the sides together. You'll see when I do the tutorial part. Here's a little sketch with the head and wire going straight back. So we're going to go ahead and bend the wire in the middle. Give it a little pinch. And we'll form the wings at the same time. I have some other tutorials showing this technique. It's a way to make the piece symmetrical. We're going to go around and form the wings, trying to make them as small as possible so they're suitable as stud earrings. Bring it around, do the top wing, and bring the wires down. Now we have to open them up. I just started it with my nails, but you can grab your pliers and just pull it open. Super easy. Make any little adjustments you need, and we'll bend one of the wires straight back for the stud. We'll clip it to about 1/4 inch and take the other wire to form the head. We're not going to wind it around the stud wire. We're just going to go ahead and make a little circle for the head of the butterfly. When I do dangly butterflies, I make the antenna, but these are going to be super simple. Clip the end flush for the head, pinch in the little pokey ends. You can go in with your nylon jaw pliers if you like to do any little adjustments. Just adjust it as you need so the shape is right. Go ahead with your wire rounder to smooth out the end. You can add a little back. There's different styles of backings that you can buy. I'll link them up in the description below the video. And there's your super cute butterfly stud earrings. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out my earrings to make and sell ebook. I'll link it up in the description below the video. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% anytime you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.